Hey, what up guys, KO here. Today on How to Beatbox Like a Pro, we're gonna learn the reverse dry kick. If you're new here and enjoy this tutorial, subscribe, and as always, smash that like button. Yeah, so the reverse dry kick, guys. So you're gonna say VUD, right? You're gonna make it so that the V vibrates against your bottom lip. VUD, VUD, VUD. Now take out the VD, 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 and then just crispen that and make it really short so it goes VD, VD. A lot of beatboxers use it in like a scratching kind of technique. VD, VUD, crisp. That's it, guys. Beatboxing like a pro. Keep practicing. Ask any of your questions in the comments below, guys, and I'll get to them as fast as I can. Peace.